So I realized a little too late that I was wearing the wrong shirt. Times are tough, man. Super level. Oh, just chilling, not running away. This is gonna be the longest and most difficult recipe I've ever done, so buckle up. It's a mozzarella stick. Well, it's 4 a.m. Actually a little before 4 a.m. I don't know if you can hear the wind. We have about 20 mile an hour sustained winds, 33 mile an hour gusts coming from the south going north. Of course, we're heading east, so that's gonna make today's drive fun. I don't know what it is about me and 4 a.m. on drive days, but it's kind of getting old. Anyway, I'm gonna get ready and hit the road. In the dark, in the windy dark. All right. Catch you in a bit. All right, we just dumped tanks. It is almost 7 a.m. I don't know where those 3 hours went, but let's hit the road. All right, we're at Walmart, Warrensburg, Missouri. So I realized a little too late that I was wearing the wrong shirt at Walmart. We're like half an hour from Kansas City, so yeah, not the right shirt to wear. Anyway, we're gonna get some fuel and some propane from TSC, hopefully. Oh, they fold up when I turn on the engine. All right, TSC was successful. Now we're just gonna get back on the road. Hopefully, get some fuel on the way before we hit the highway.
You have arrived.
Hello. Yes.
Fire beginning of 63.
Okay.
Right.
It is site 49, yeah? Okay. All right. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Super level. Oh, Well, we're here at Lake of the Ozarks State Park. It's a long day, especially since I've been up since 4. It's getting pretty tired on the drive, but we're here, we're set up, just walking Mr. Beans around. I'm excited to check this park out. I got a map. It looks like there's a bunch of trails. And obviously the lake is nearby, so that'll be fun to explore. Took some back roads and saw some interesting things and interesting people along the way. Times are tough, man. $499 for a take and bake pizza. And then yeah, Walmart was a little interesting, wearing a Green Bay shirt right around Kansas City. That was kind of funny. I wish I had like planned these sort of things, but this is just the top shirt in the pile. So we're gonna walk around, and then I'm probably gonna eat some leftover pizza and relax, and probably go to bed early tonight. And I'm really glad I have tomorrow off, so I get to sleep in, or attempt to sleep in. And yeah, we'll check in then. Deer everywhere. All right, let's check out these bathrooms. We have a row of sinks, some soap, one hand dryer, got some urinals, and some stalls. And then on this side, we have some showers. And it looks like you can control the temperature. And there's the curtain. Whoa. Today, I'm gonna make some fried ravioli. I figured since we're in Missouri and it's apparently from here, or the idea originated here, I don't know. This is gonna be the longest and most difficult recipe I've ever done, so buckle up. So we have some obviously homemade ravioli that I didn't buy at Walmart, an egg, and some breadcrumbs that I seasoned up with some salt and pepper. We've got some oil heating behind me, behind you, and we'll bread these and get them frying. And yeah, I've never been a subscriber of the whole wet hand, dry hand method, so I'm just gonna go for it. Alright, so yeah, that took like 2 hours to do. It was really hard. So I had this pesto, and I'll try dipping these in. and I have some pasta sauce. Try the pasta sauce first, and since you're already in it. So I think I've had these before. I've definitely never made them. Yeah. It's a mozzarella stick. So these are cheese ravioli. I thought about getting beef as well, but decided just to do cheese. Let's try the pesto. Yeah. It's a mozzarella stick with pesto. They're good. Alright. They were supposed to be an appetizer, but I actually have a lot. Maybe I'll save some for tomorrow. Alright, I'm gonna devour these. So I went for a run earlier today. Was supposed to go yesterday, but the day kind of just got away from me. And discovered that there is actually laundry in the campground, which is good because when I was looking, I found the closest spot to be 5 miles away, which is basically at the entrance of the state park, which would have been fine. I could have biked there, but it's just nice that I can walk there. So I'm going to do that today. And only one dryer works here. Walking back from doing laundry. The deer here are pretty crazy. They are not really all that scared of people. I mean, you saw how close I was to that one. And it's just eyeing me. It's like 20 feet away from me, just eyeing me. Let's see. Just chilling, not running away. But done with laundry. That sucked. There's one dryer working, so I had to wait for 2 loads basically. Anyway, it's late, almost 7. Gonna start some dinner. Catch you later. Well, it's a beautiful day today, so I'm gonna go for a little hike. There's a bunch of trails that are really close to my campsite, so I'm gonna check some of them out. Hi. All right, I just finished the last of my laundry, finally. Did it over 3 separate days. This is just kind of odds and ends. I wanted to wash my couch covers and the new one that I bought because it was just gross. It all was gross. I just bought some barbecue sauce at the little store that was up there. They're only open on the weekends, so I haven't been up there, or I haven't been in there until now. Well, it's Saturday morning and it's raining. It's slated to rain all day today, which is slightly annoying, but it's giving me nice fall vibes, which I like. I wish it would have done this earlier in the week and we could have had some better weather today, but I mean, I did some exploring earlier in the week. I'm gonna try and do some more today, but I guess we'll just take it easy. I'll probably end up cleaning the RV and doing some work, but it should be a nice little day. We'll see. All right, that's enough fun for one episode. If you've made it this far, thanks for sticking around, and subscribe so you can see where adventure takes us next. But until then, stay excellent.